So it's Sunday the 10th of January 21. I thought I'd do another video, and today it's going to be on changing the battery in a Ford key fob because it's showing on our Ford Kuga that we need to replace the battery. So basically what you're going to do, I don't know if you can see, you got these here either side. So you want to be squeezing those in. And if you see there, it lifts here. You get in there, take that off. Behind there is a key. So you just get a screwdriver and pop that key out. So that'll be for when your battery's gone completely dead. It'll be so you can get in there, get that key, and you can actually get in the car. I'm guessing. So once that's off, you want to get a screwdriver in there and twist it. And if you see, it lifts the back there, so you can get in there. You just want to lift this off. And then you're left with a battery here. So just take the battery out. I've actually already replaced this battery, but I thought I'd do a video just to show anyone that wants to know how to do it, in case they don't know how to get in there and change it. The battery here, in case you want to know the battery first, it's CR2032. So I'll put this back together. You're just basically reversing everything you've already done. Just pops together like that. Put the key back in there. And then the cover back over the key. And that's it. Straightforward, simple. How to change a battery on a Ford key fob. As I say, this one's off our Ford Kuga. That's it.